Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video. So today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. So we have a gift from Tesla here. Well, actually not a gift. I bought it and it was quite expensive, which is the 118 diecast Roadster that we're going to unbox today. So at first glance it is a really sturdy package. It's well packaged, so let's see what's inside. So let me just open that up here, and then we pull that out and we put this aside, this box. And what we have is first of all we have this little Roadster package, or certificate of authenticity I should say. That's cool. And now let's see what is inside. So, wow, this is really nice. It's a very nice color that we have. So I just pull it out, and there's also like a little cloth apparently. Oh, and as you can see, let me turn it around for you guys. There's also a little embossment here with the Roadster and Tesla logo on there. So that's cool. So let's see what we have here. So just a plastic wrap and some cloth apparently. Well, not even cloth, it's just it's a paper tissue, so you can wipe off the remainder and your fingerprints for the first time that you have this. And I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it is a really nice color for this car, and it is indeed going to be the color that I'm going to be ordering my Roadster in. It's a deep red color. It's not like the signature red on the Model S. It's different from that. It's more vivid than that, and it reflects really beautifully. You have the white interior there, and also let me just put it on the side here. So the wheels that are on the Roadster as intended, and the bottom with the diffuser, so you can see more or less the battery pack here probably, and you have the real big diffuser here on the back that will suck the car to the ground. And then at the front you have the splitter with the full flat bottom to make sure that the pressure below the car is as low as possible. Now the doors are fully functional, so you can open both doors on the car, and the trunk is also functional. And inside the trunk you find this little piece, which is the roof, of course. Let me just take it out. So here's the roof, which I really hope is going to be with an electrochromatic roof, so you can completely close that. Also, that would be awesome. And then you can just put the roof on like this, and let me just close the doors again. So this is what the Roadster will look like from the top. Now let's have a look at some different angles of the car under some different lighting conditions as well. So now that we know that the diecast model has actually been created based on the actual 3D renderings and measurements, the 3D AutoCAD file, so to speak, from the actual Roadster, that means we can do some measurements now. And I've measured the length of the car, and that's if we calculate that times 18, of course, to get to the full size, the car would be 455 centimeters long. The front would be 1 meter and 80 centimeters wide, and the back would be 187. So the back is about 7 or 8 centimeters wider than the front of the car. Now I also tried to measure the trunk space. So it doesn't seem to have a frunk at all, but if we look in the trunk, you have two configurations, so either with the seats available or with the back seats folded down. So with the back seats folded down, you would get a length of 150 centimeters, more or less. So 1 meter 50 when it's fully folded down, and just under 1 meter when the seats are up. So that's a tiny trunk, but I think for a hypercar like this, it is a decent size. Now as for the width, it is really tiny. The width is only like 78 centimeters, and that's yeah, really not wide, of course. But I think I'll be able to fit my aikido weapons in there in the back, so that will be enough then for me to carry that, and of course a sports bag in the back. That will be no problem at all. So yeah, that's what we can tell from the actual Roadster dimensions and what we can see so far. So there you have it. That is the diecast Roadster. It's really well built, high quality. I really love the color. Like I said before, I hope it comes across on the video, but it's really beautiful. And yeah, while I'm waiting for the actual Roadster to arrive, this is what I have to do with. It is definitely going to get a place in my closet with my Aston Martin scale models, and it's going to get a prominent place in that as well, because it's such a beautiful car and it's such a beautiful diecast. So hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual, if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe with that button down there, and click that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. And for now, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.